Hey guys, how are you all? So welcome back to my channel Axity, and this video is a special video. I know that you all are waiting for this. It's regarding the November 2020's cue card for your IELTS test. So in this video, I included 30 cue cards, that is selected cue cards for your November month real test. Okay, so without further delay, we can start with our video. So before that, if you're watching me first time, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications. So let's start out with this video. So the first cue card is describe a country where you would like to work for a short time. So you want to talk about a country you would like to work for a short period of time, and you want to include where you would like to work, what kind of job would it be, that means about the job, when would you like to go, that is the period or the time, and why you want to work there, the reason behind your travel or why you wish to work there. So you can start your talk with an interaction. Don't directly enter into the talk. Today I like to talk about, don't start up like that. Try to give an introduction. I'm planning to go abroad for my high studies, or I like to settle there, or I like to migrate to this place, and my dream country for my studies or the migration is New Zealand or the Canada. Then you should include all the subheadings in your talk, and you want to talk continuously for 2 minutes without any pauses. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a time when you forgot something important. You want to explain about a time which you forgot something. Okay, then you should include when it happened, what you forgot, what was the result of your forgetting, and why it was important. Maybe you forgot your mobile phone in some shop, or when you went out, or you forget to take your wallet or your passport. Okay, anything you can talk about. So try to give an introduction. As I told you before, I think there are many situations in my life where I have forgotten something. So today I like to talk about an incident which happened in my life on last month. When I went out with my family for shopping, I forget to take my wallet or mobile phone. Anything you can talk about. So try to include all the subheading. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a tradition in your country. Tradition in the sense the transmission of customs or belief from generation to generation. Then you should include what it is, who takes part in it, and what activities there are, and explain how you feel about it. So as I told you before, tradition means the form of artistic heritage of a particular culture or a belief or a custom, or you can talk about any festivals too. So you can start up like there are many traditions in India, but today I would like to talk about the tradition which is quite popular, especially in North India or in South India, and the tradition is called, you can talk about anything. Okay, so even though you can talk about festivals too. Moving on to the next cue card, describe a person who you think is very open, or else they will be asked like, describe an energetic person that you know. So you should prepare with both. And they will be asking who this person is, how you know this person, why do you think this person is very open or energetic, and explain how you feel about this person. So you want to talk about who that person is and how you know this person, that means the relation with that particular person, whether you have family, friends or something, and why do you think this person is very open or energetic. So you should give an explanation for that. That means any example from the life event, or you experience that person is so energetic or that person is so open. Okay, and explain how you feel about this person, and whether you respect him or her, or whether you love him or her, what's your feeling towards that particular person. So if they asked for a person with open behavior, means you can start your talk with like, I think very few people today are very open and frank. Today I like to talk about any particular person. Or if they asked for any energetic person, that means the second part of the question means, you can start like, when I started thinking about an energetic person, one person came to mind especially. That's my aunt, or his name is so and so. Then he's working as a, and what's your relation, everything you can talk about. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a time you saw children behave badly in public. Bad behavior in the sense maybe they will cry, they will scream, they will make some unwanted noise, and due to this the parents feel annoyed and embarrassed, so maybe sometimes they can't able to deal with them. So you want to talk about a situation which you find like this. Okay, so where it was, what the children were doing, and how others reacted to it, and explain how you felt about it. So you can start like, I usually go for a evening walk at a park near to my home, or I usually go for a weekend shopping with my friends or family. That time you saw one child with his or her parents, and what happened? You can explain the situation. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. So describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. Foreign language means you can talk about English or Spanish, French, other than your mother tongue. You can talk about any foreign language. And where were you, and who you were with, and what did you talk about, and explain how you felt about it. So if you are talking about English language means you should talk about the experience which you had when you joined for LKG or any primary school or something like that. Okay, because you are appearing for an English proficiency test. So it should not be the nearby days or something like that. You should talk about the days or the experience which you had in your childhood days. Okay. So when you join for the primary school, or the first day in school, or during the interview time, the teacher asked you to sing a song in English or to tell a story. Okay, anything like that. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a good decision that you made recently. So you want to talk about a decision that was good decision which you made recently. So it may be related to your life event, about your marriage, about your job, or about your career. That means about any course which you want to join or anything. Okay. So what it was, when you made it, what the result was, and explain how you felt about it. Okay. Maybe you decided to help others during their critic situation, or during their emergency situation, or during these pandemic situations or any disasters. Maybe you decided to help others or poor people. Anything you can talk about. Okay. The only thing is it should have a happy ending. Then only it will become a good decision. Okay. So that you want to remember. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe an ambition that you have for a long time. So you are keeping that ambition for a long time. So what it is, what you did for it, and when can you achieve it, and explain why you have this ambition. So you want to talk about that particular ambition. Then what you did for it. Then to achieve that particular ambition, what all things you did, and when you can achieve it. What's your plan, or what you are thinking about that, when you can achieve it, and explain why you have this ambition. Okay, so you can start your talk like, I have had any ambitions in my life. Some I have achieved and some I have failed to achieve. And I have always felt the reason for my failure to achieve the goal has always been associated with my lack of motivation. Or today I like to talk about an ambition which I had for a long time, and I wish to accomplish that as soon as possible. That was okay. Then you can talk about that. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a family which you like and are happy to know about. So you can talk about any family which you like to know more about or happy to know about. Then you should include who they are, where they live, and how you know them, and explain why you like them. So you can talk about any family, your relatives or your friends or your family friends or anything. Okay, it's very easy only. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a time when you changed your opinion or plan. It's the usual question they are asking, whether change your plan. Describe a situation where the climate or the weather condition changed your plan. Or they will be asking like this. Describe a time when you change your opinion or plan. Okay. You should include when it was, what the original opinion was, and why you changed it, and explain how you felt about it. So if they are asking about opinion means you can start like, I think changing one's opinion is really hard for some people. But I think that it's better to change our opinion or the plan, whether we felt that it will hurt others or it's not correct, or it's we were mistaken or something like that, means we can change our plan. Then you can explain about the situation and all. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a photo of yourself that you like or you have taken. Maybe they will be asking like, describe a photo of yourself that you like, that was taken by you or someone else. Okay, so you should include the importance is there for that particular photo. You want to describe about that particular photo, when it was, where you take that and all. So when it was taken, where it was taken, who took it, or how you took it. If you are taken that particular photo, means how you took it, whether it is selfie or with which application and everything, and who took it. If you are not taken that particular picture, means you want to explain who took that particular photo and explain how you felt about that. Okay, so you can start up with the whether you are so interested to take the photos or you like to take the selfies, means you can give an introduction like that, and you should include all the subheadings. Then moving on to the 12th cue card, describe a book you read that you found useful, or describe an exciting book you read. Actually, this is a repeated question from long back, from the starting of IELTS itself. Always you should be prepared with this particular question. That means about any book. Okay, about your favorite book, what was the content, and about the author and everything. And you should include when you read it, what type of book it is, what it is about, and why did you find it useful. If you are not interested to read, means you can give an introduction like that. I have not read many books apart from my textbook, or I'm not so interested in reading, like that you can give an introduction. Or else if you are interested to read books, means you can give, I have a huge collection of books in my shelf or in my home, and which type of books you are interested to read, you can give a small introduction about that. Okay, then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a film or movie that made you laugh. While watching a particular movie that made you laugh a lot, means you can talk about that, any particular scene, or if you are interested, if you have a favorite comedian or comedy artist or something like that, means you can talk about that. So what is the name of that particular movie, when did you watch it, and who you watched it with, and why it made you laugh, what was the content, or what was the occasion, or what scene make you laugh. I think these all questions are very easy only because we all watch movies and we have some favorite artists and we have some favorite movies and all. So it will be so easy for you. So moving on to the next cue card. Describe something or someone that made a lot of noise. So either you can talk about any machines or any equipment, or about any person who is so talkative. So who or what made the noise, and what was the noise like, and what did you do when you hear that particular noise, and how you feel about it. Maybe due to some situation also, if there is any fearful situation, or if a person is scared by something and all, means normally he will make some noise, he or she will make some noise, screaming or something like that. So you can talk about any situation that a person or a machine made some noise. So I think there are a lot of noise in India. So it is the fact that it's very hard to find a quiet place nowadays. So I like to talk about a particular occasion with my friends or family. If you maybe you went to any particular place, so you can talk about that particular place that will be polluted by this noise and all, by vehicle, factory or something like that. Or else you can talk about any particular equipment or any machine in your home, or about any particular person too. Okay, then moving on to, so always try to give an introduction. Okay, then you can talk about the all the subheadings. Now we'll see regarding the next cue card. Describe a water sports you would like to try in the future, or describe a sports you would like to try for the first time. So some the topic related to sports are very common in our IELTS. So especially the water sports. Okay, so you should always prepare with any water sports, because if you are not interested in water sports and you are not aware about any water sports and all, means you should prepare with this topic. Okay, and also any other sports also. Okay, any because it's the common question from long back about the indoor game, outdoor games, sports, water sports. These all are the repeated question from long back. So you should prepare with these all topic. Okay. So here they asked for water sports. So you can talk about swimming, deep sea diving, or scuba diving, or anything. So what is it? Where you will do it? Whether it is easy or difficult, and why would you like to try it? So you can give an introduction about commonly about the water sports. Then you can talk about which sports or which water sports you would like to try. The water sports I would like to try in the future is river rafting or deep sea diving. And you can give an intro about why you are interested in that particular thing, who inspired you to do that. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe an old person you know and respect. So you can talk about any older person. It's better to talk about your grandpa or your grandma. Then you have more things to talk. Okay. So who he or she is, how you know this person, what he or she is like, and explain why you respect him or her. So you try to give an introduction like, I know many old people in my life and I respect all of them. Actually, it is in our culture to respect elderly people. So here I would like to talk about my grandfather or my grandmother. Then talk about all his physical characteristics and the physical appearance and what all other speciality and why you respect him or why you love him or her. Okay, so try to include all the subheadings. Moving on to the next cue card. Describe a mistake you have made. So you want to talk about any mistake which you made in your life. Then you should include what it is, when you made it, and how you made it, and how you felt about it. So you can give a general introduction like we all make mistakes in our life. In fact, making mistakes is a part of human behavior. Here I like to talk about a mistake which I made recently. That was during, you can describe the situation and what all things happened and how you come out of this and what was the result, whether you changed or whether you corrected that particular mistakes or not, what you understood by that. Okay, everything you can talk about. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a risk you have taken which had a positive result. So you can talk about any risk which you made in your life and you to come out with a positive result. So what it was, why you took it, and what the result was, and how you felt about it. So you want to talk about that particular situation or risk in detail. So you can start like, we all take risk in our life. Sometimes we realize that we are taking a risk, or sometimes we don't even realize that we are taking a risk. So you can give any example for that particular situation. Then you can talk about, here I would like to talk about a situation which I took a risk and which come out with a positive result. That was on my blah 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 blah. You can talk about that particular situation. So try to include all the points too. Okay. Now we will see regarding the next cue card. Describe a long car journey you went on. This is also a repeated question from long back. So where you went, what you did at that place, and who you went there with, and explain why you went on that journey by car. That means you want to explain why you selected that mode of transportation. So it's a long journey. Usually we will go by a railway or we will depend any bus services. That's the normal thing which happened. If we want to go for a short distance only, we will take our private vehicles. So you can explain about that too. So you can start like, I have not been on many long journeys by car. Whenever we have to go for a long journey, we generally go by bus or train or by air. So here I like to talk about a long journey which I had by my car. So that was on my last year during my cousin's wedding, or we all went along with my family or something like that. So you can talk about that particular situation, why you selected car. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card. Describe a large company that you are interested in. So you want to talk about a large company that you are interested in. That means you are interested to work in. Which company is it? What it is like? That means what kind of business they are doing. How you know about it and how you feel about it, and why you have interest in this particular company. Why you are interested in that particular company. So here you can start like, there are many large and successful corporations in the world today. Like you can give some examples: Google, Reliance, Amazon, Tata, and so on. So the company I want to work is Tata Industries. And you can give some explanation regarding that, or what all are the facilities, or what all are the benefits you will get if you join in that particular company and all. Okay, and try to include all the sub questions too. Now we will see next cue card. So describe a time when a family member asked for your help. So one of your family member asked for any help, any physical or any financial or any mental or psychological, any help. Okay, so when it was, who asked you for help and how you helped and how you felt about it. So simply you can start your talk like human beings are the social animals. So we are living in a society. So we want to depend upon each other in one or another occasion. So we want to help each other like that. Or in detail, one of the thing I really like about India is that despite modernization, we are now living in a modern world, but we didn't adopted the individualism of the West. Some of the habits we adopted from the West, but even though we haven't adopted the individualism of the West, nearly every day family members and the neighbors help each other. So today I'm going to talk about a situation when my family or my sister or my neighbor asks me for a help. Okay, then you can talk about that particular occasion in detail. Now moving on to the next cue card. Talk about something that you enjoyed doing in a group. That means you like to do that particular activity in a group, not by yourself. So what it was, with whom you did it, and when you did it, and how you felt about it. So I have done many group activities when I was in school, or such as playing games like cricket, volleyball, or we do together some seminars or some thesis presentations and all, whatever, or you togetherly done one survey. Okay, so here I like to talk about a group activity, so which was making a model for participating in a science exhibition or the max exhibition, or you can talk about any team activity or any sports event. So you worked as a team to participate in international sports event, like that. Okay, now we will see regarding the next cue card. Talk about a new public building or place which you would like to visit. So you can either, they will be asking about any public building or any place, okay, that is new place or the new public building which you would like to visit. So you are interested to visit that particular place. So you know about that particular place, it was newly built, and till now you didn't get an opportunity to visit there and you like to visit there. So which was that place? So which building or place it is? Where is it? When would you like to visit it? So what's your plan? And with whom would you like to visit there? And why do you want to visit it? That means whether you want to, simply you want to visit there, or you want to take photographs. Okay, or do you want to buy anything? Okay. So public building, in the sense you can talk about any public building, any bus station, railway station, or any gymnasium, or any public library, or place in the sense any garden or any public places. Okay, so there are many public buildings or places which I would like to visit. So here I would like to talk about any special place or building you can talk about. Okay, so these questions are repeated only, so it's they are asking these questions from long back, so it's better to collect some points under these common topics and all, or the repeated cards. You know what all are the repeated cards, and also try to collect some points under those topics. Now we'll see regarding next cue card. So describe one of your family member you spend the most time with, or you like to spend more time with that particular member, or else they will be asking like any family member you like to know more about. You are interested in that particular person and you like to know more about them. Okay, so you should include who he or she is and what do you usually do together. So what kind of person he or she is, whether it is he is introvert person or extrovert person, like that, and why do you spend most of the time with him or her. Okay, so you can start like if I had to talk about myself, I would say that I'm very reserved person, or I'm so extrovert person, I like to spend time with others. Or you can tell I'm so reserved person, I don't like to mingle with the unknown persons and all, and it takes a lot of time to become familiar with the strangers too. Anything you can talk about. You can talk about your own behavior, whether you are an extrovert person or whether you are an introvert person, or whether you are so reserved or not. Okay, then however, I love to spend time with my family. So I'm very close with my mother, or you can tell I'm so close with my father, or I'm so close with my brother or sister, or like I like to spend time with them. I like to go out. What all activity you like to do with them. So you can talk about any person you are so attached. Okay, next cue card. Describe a person in the news that you want to meet. So you can talk about any particular person, maybe the celebrities from film industry or sports celebrity or the person from politics, anyone. So who he or she is, what did this person show up on TV for, and how do you know what this person, how do you know about that particular person, and why do you want to meet him, whether you want to take photograph or whether you want to take autograph, anything. Okay, so you can give an introduction like in our day-to-day life we see film stars, sportsmen, politicians in the news, and sometimes we are so impressed by them that we want to meet them personally and all. We will think like that. If we are a huge fan of that particular person, means surely we have that mind, we want to meet him or her, we want to take pictures and also you can start up like that and you can continue. Then moving on to the next cue card, 26th, describe an important piece of news that you received via text message. You got an important message via text message. Then you should include who shared that particular message with you, what the news was about and how it was written, and explain why the news was so important to you. Maybe it was your exam result or about your interview call or any announcement regarding your test date, anything. Okay, so you can start up with an introduction regarding the technology or the use or importance of mobile phone and all. So mobile phones have an important role in our life, or it's having an important part of our life, even though we are using different mobile applications and social medias, but we are giving more importance to calling and also text messaging. Then you can talk about the message which you received. Okay, now moving on to the next cue card, a person who taught you something important. So you want to talk about any particular person who taught you something important, any life skills or any academic lessons or anything. So who this person is, what he or she is like, so what he or she taught you and how you felt about him or her, whether he taught you well or you understand the lessons or you find it as a waste of time or anything. So here you can give an introduction like, I have learned many important things from people around me, or I always love to study new things. One such important thing that I learned from my mother is cooking, or from my brother is cycling or driving, anything you can talk about. So moving on to the next cue card, describe a time when you traveled by public transportation. So you want to talk about a time which you traveled by public transportation, that may be railway or bus or air, anything. So when you traveled, where you traveled, what was the purpose of your travel and how you felt about it, whether you feel comfort or whether any discomfort caused. Okay, so you can start up like, in our day-to-day life we visit many places for various purposes, or there are lots of places to visit in our India. So sometimes we use our own vehicle or sometimes we use public transportation. According to me, if I want to travel for a long distance, means I will depend on public transportation. So that means according to the place, I will select the mode of transportation. So here I would like to talk about a visit for which I used public transport. Like that, you can continue. Now moving on to the next cue card, 29. Describe a practical skill you learned or describe a new skill you want to learn. So according to the, try to understand the question and apply the tense. Okay, so describe a practical skill you learned, that means it is in past tense. Then describe a new skill you want to learn, that means in future tense. So try to understand the question properly and answer. Okay, otherwise you will cause, it will result in grammar mistakes. Okay, so what it is, how would you learn it, where you can learn it, and explain why you want to learn it. So according to the question only the sub questions will be. Okay, so here you can start like, I have learned many practical skills in my childhood from people around me or in my life. So here I would like to talk about very useful practical skill of cooking which I learned from my mother. So it's according to the tense as I told you. Then describe a new skill you want to learn, like that means you can start like, I want to learn many skills such as cooking skill, foreign language skill, driving skills and so on. So here I would like to talk about the cooking skill or the driving skill which I want to learn. Okay, so according to the question only you want to give an introduction, and according to that only you want to select the tenses too. Okay, and if you didn't understand any particular word or any word meaning or any pronunciation means, don't give any wrong answer. Try to clear that. You can ask in a polite way, ma'am, would you please explain that? I didn't get that particular word. So can you please? it's better to use would. Would you please? Okay, would you please repeat that? Can you explain that particular word? Or you can ask pardon. Okay. Then moving on to the next cue card, describe a foreign country or the culture you want to know more about. So you like to know about that particular country or the culture they are following. So which country it is or what culture, where it is, how you know about it, and why you want to know more about that particular country or the culture. Why you are interested in that, whether you like to go there. So you can start up your talk like, I have always wanted to learn about foreign culture, or I am so interested in Western culture. So I always love to meet up with new people and to make friendship and to know what all are the similarities we have and what all things we are different, in what all things we are different and everything. So today I like to talk about a Japan or the American culture, which I want to know more about, or I'm interested to know about. Like that, you can continue. Then try to include all the subheadings as I told you always. So that's all about your cue cards. So try to prepare well with these cue cards. You will get one out of these for your November month examination. So if you are preparing for your IELTS exam by November, means you can prepare with these cue cards. So try to collect maximum points and try to talk and also record that in your phone. Okay, whether you are managing the proper time or whether you are pronouncing it properly, whether it causes any pauses or whether you have any fluency problem or something like that, means you can understand and you can autocorrect that. So try to record and hear your own talk. Okay, so that's all. So all the very best. So if you like this video, means please give thumbs up and share with your friends, and you can comment your queries. Okay, then along with that, don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon nearby to get notifications too, and try to select the all option, then only you will be notified about all the videos. And if you are interested to join for our online sections, means the admission is open now, so you can join for our crash courses or the regular batches according to your convenience. So you are always welcome. So if you are interested, means you can write me in chaperonelts@gmail.com, or else you can catch me in my WhatsApp number. I will provide that in the description box. Then other than this, there are lots of other videos are available, so you can check out the description box for the playlist. So stay tuned, and I will be back with more videos to help you out in your IELTS test. So thank you so much, and all the very best.